Welcome to Kodia TV, and I am Lena reporting. Dormaahene clamps down on illegal miners in the Dormaah East District. The paramount chief of the Dormaah Traditional Council, who also serves as the president of the Bono Regional House of Chiefs, Osagyefo Dr. Agyeman Badu II, has apprehended several individuals engaged in illegal mining activities in Dormaah Akwamu, Akontanim, Chermasu, Kobedi, and Wamenafo, all located within the Dormaah East region. This action was taken as a part of his campaign against illegal mining menace. During the operation conducted with his anti-Galamsay task force, he underscored that all stolen lands within the Dormaah Traditional Council are under his jurisdiction. Therefore, no one is authorized to permit illegal miners to exploit their farmlands for gold hunting. He further urged the Nananum of the various communities to remain vigilant and to reclaim lands that have been illicitly allocated for Galamsay activities. He assured the chiefs of the aforementioned communities of his commitment to fostering legal mining operations in the area. To the end, he intends to notify reputable mining companies to visit the area and conduct surveys to ascertain the gold fertility of the land, thereby facilitating legitimate mining operations that ensure equitable distribution of profits for the development of the Dormaah traditional area, while also providing employment opportunities for the youth. He highlighted that the entrance fee of $1 million will be required from the mining companies prior to the commencement of their operations. This fee is intended to establish employment avenues for the youth in the mining area. He urged Nananum to collaborate with him to ensure the cessation of the illegal mining activities. Osagyefo Dr. Agyeman Badu II has committed to ensuring the fair distribution of royalties from himself, between himself and the town where the mining operations are held. He emphasized the requirement of the chief of the mining area to provide evidence regarding projects intended to embark on which will benefit the youth through employment creation before he gives out his share of royalties to begin such projects. Furthermore, he employed all individuals residing in the Dormaah stolen lands to issue warnings to illegal miners, advising them to cease such activities before penalties upon capture. He highlighted the importance of reserving the lands for licensed mining companies to ensure their operation are advantageous to the people of the Dormaah traditional area as a whole. Osagyefo ultimately urged members of the communities to adhere to the advice against engaging in illegal mining activities, commonly known as the Galamsay. During the mining operation at curbing illegal mining, authorities seized 7 pumping machines and discovered several water holes. In addition, 3 individuals were apprehended and subsequently handed over to the Dormaah Akwamu police for further legal proceedings. Abusuafo ne meka ne tintin nyina ne tietie nyina ewo akan kasa mu kyerɛ sɛ okopiem ewo Dormaah ahenkromu a eye Dormaahene a eye ose ade yo Agyeman Badu otoso mienu de aba sɛ ompese obehu sɛ dasani biara etu sika kokɔ ewo na saase so na empo sɛ aban pese obetu sɛ sika kokɔ no na saase so a ewo so obehu no wɔtena ase ede nkrata etoto ho ansa na wama no kwan ama no aba betu sika ewo na saase so ode tu dwa sɛ ne nti a oye we nyina ne sɛ ope enwuma ama omumma buni na owo krom ho no nti ansa na aban be pese obeba petu sika kokɔ we na saase so no ewo se obehu no na omode nhyehyeye a efata etu kwan mu na afi osan di tu dwan so se obiara aba na saase so ebetu sika kokɔ a onfa mra kwan na se onfa nkrata bia nsaase a nipa no obetwe na so yie na ohu nipa bi mu ana se mrante be miensa na one de wo se asem na okan ye no asobrachi nti ontie ne okan no na ochi omo ode omo call Dormaah police headquarters ha ye Kodia TV GH na me media mane boy bremu me din Lena Mr. Mon subscribe na mon share na mon comment we video yase
mabia nya Galamsay nsoro ho ya bra na obi ka se obaya so ode na ho ka kire no lo ntiase hu gya no ne ba to ne mienu de eno de nsoro homa bia nka on de eduru amaamefo no ho fa ahomanya ba hu yam ba jo wa tiase ani de kwan so de sha ho bon meba ha meba ba ye bibi kase bi ewo krom ha emre pakase aka mo mpaye se ekọ ha no ebaba na krom ne se nya ho no ho de nam tukwa na nya ho no ho ne nam de baba ha na mo Galamsay de ko si se meduru ase ye betutu fom abehwe se ebenya agudie ni bi homa bia anya de on se ho asase no enye sa sika se ba ho ye de bo ho bra se be bia benya bi no mo ba kom kura na nipa no a be hya akiri a ye de ma be no ni be ndo ma ha ko ohun fo so abaye do ma asase nyina o hye nipa ba ko nipa ba ne nti mimi ni wa bia ni asase nti obi a obaye sa de no nana I won't start to Nasa. The 2 minutes, I shall say, Casama, the 2 minutes, I won't say, I won't start to assassinate. Because she said, no, I be a whole year in a man who's in for one people. Tea, bad to go to the catch of a 7 round answer. Now, then you should say, do was so. Nothing yet, and from my bed. I don't fuck on Papa, so the ben true. It's a cab about me. Na ho mfafa na meso me mfafa ye mpanye Dormaahene se be ya mrantie no so no kura di utie pa adwuma so de nni wo me adwuma Badu mi ni biska me de osika me ni oso me ma unni se ba don ti sika bot ni nipa no ensa na ro baba akura so be ya adwuma no $1 million ngi $1 million na 500,000 and no want to be paying the chrome anye mi adwuma mfa ma be na no Dormaahene include adwuma me bia ma be $1 million $1 million in the Oko. I don't think it's been to me, my dear Jama be Coco.